Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to text fit perfectly in one cell in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel and you can see here the one sentence. So this sentence I will fit in one cell. So let's see how it's done. So simply select the first cell. I select here the first cell because this sentence is start from the first cell. So if you want to check, just click on the first cell and you can see in formula bar, the text, the sentence is showing. Okay. When you click on the second cell, third cell, fourth cell, the formula bar sentence is not showing. It means this sentence starts from first cell. Okay. This cell. Okay. Then select this cell. Then go to the home tab. In alignment group have a orientation option. When you keep cursor on this option, you can see the orientation name. Then click on this drop down arrow. Then select the last option, the format cell alignment. Okay. Then here in format cell dialog box, click on the alignment tab. The second tab is alignment. Then in text control group, okay, click on the shrink to fit option. Just click on it and click on OK, and that's it. You can see your text is fit in one cell. Okay. It's showing so small. You can use this trick to hide text, and if you want to check it what is right, just you can just double click on the mouse and you can check. And when you click any outside anywhere, it's automatically fit again. Okay. If you want to bring back again, just select the cell same as, go to the same option in orientation, then click on the same option, the format cell alignment, and in alignment tab, just untick this shrink to fit option and click on OK, and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you so much.